Today, your very first real paycheck hits your account, you stare at the number, and for the first time it feels like someone officially gave you permission to finally start living. Now imagine there were two of you, two versions of yourself in the exact same moment. Same job, same salary, same dreams, same pay stub in hand. Today, not even your own mother could tell you apart. In 40 years, you will be worlds apart. One of you buys the luxury the fiat system promises. The other quietly builds wealth as a Bitcoiner. And here's the crazy part. The difference is not one big, bold decision. It is one tiny habit quietly repeated, month after month for decades. Watch how this single habit rips one ordinary life into two completely different endings. Stage 1, you are 23 and the lights in the dealership sparkle like a reward you have finally earned. Version A signs, German luxury sedan, $60,000, financed over 72 months because you want to feel successful today. You post a photo with the keys, the likes come pouring in, and for one weekend you feel unstoppable. What the photo does not show, the $900 that will vanish from your account every single month for the next 6 years. Plus full coverage insurance, plus maintenance, plus gas. That is an entire vacation evaporating every month. And the car lost around $12,000 in value on the drive home. The most expensive mile of your life is the one from the dealership to your driveway. Version B keeps driving the rusty beater, posts nothing, and sets up a recurring buy on an exchange that same afternoon. The exact amount of that car payment, automatically into Bitcoin, every month. The Bitcoin moves to a hardware wallet, and then you forget the money exists. Nobody congratulates you, nobody claps. That is exactly what the beginning of wealth sounds like. Nothing. The gap between you two is still small, roughly $60,000, but it is already growing. Stage 2. You are 27. The raises are coming in regularly now, and your expenses quietly grow right along with them. Version A upgrades everything. The nicer apartment, the weekend trips, the watch that finally matches the car. Walmart becomes Whole Foods, meal prep becomes sushi delivery, an $800 studio becomes a $2,000 loft with a rooftop deck. Every raise dissolves into a slightly nicer everyday life. You earn way more than you did at 23, and you are exactly as broke at the end of every month. This phenomenon has a name: lifestyle inflation. It is the reason even people with six-figure salaries retire broke. Version B lets the raises pile up. You keep living like your 23-year-old self and convert the entire difference into hard money. Day to day, you do not feel one bit richer. But when you look at your wallet, there is a number that makes you do a double take. From the outside, you look average, and you are quietly becoming unstoppable. The gap widens. Roughly $150,000 now sits between you. Stage 3. You are 30. The big promotion lands, and somehow everyone now expects your home to announce it. Version A buys the new build in the expensive suburb. Big title, big statement, obviously. 6 rooms that echo because 2 people will never fill them. The mortgage payment is massive, and suddenly you realize you need this job far more than the job needs you. Every future promotion feels less like freedom and more like another link in the chain. Version B buys an unremarkable duplex, lives in one half, and lets a tenant pay off most of the mortgage. You sleep in a home that earns money while you dream. Your housing costs shrink year after year, and every dollar left over flows into the hardest money on earth. For you, the promotion is an option, not a necessity. A tool you use, not a leash that uses you. Remember one thing: your housing cost is the single biggest lever deciding whether your wealth ever gets room to breathe. The gap is impossible to miss now, roughly $300,000. Stage 4, you are 35. The kids are here, and suddenly, every expense feels like proof of love. Version A signs them up for the most expensive everything, because spending more obviously means loving more, right? The premium preschool, the giant kids room, the birthday party with a hired magician. The calendar fills with status spending, the savings account stays empty, and the pressure to deliver never stops again. The bitter truth? The $400 Lego set is forgotten under the bed within 2 weeks. What remains is a stressed-out parent and kids who silently inherit that stress. Version B invests in the kids quietly. Small wallets, a few sats every birthday, and along the way, the most valuable lesson of all: how money actually works and how ownership compounds across generations. Less spectacle, more real security, while the Bitcoin quietly gains purchasing power in the background. Your kids learn, wealth is built in silence, not on a stage. By the way, kids cost exactly as much as you decide they do, and no child has ever loved their parents more because the daycare was pricier. The gap, about $600,000, same age, same salary, stage 5. You are 40, your peak earning years, and the pressure has never been higher. Version A is trapped in golden handcuffs. You work harder every year to fund a lifestyle you no longer have time to enjoy. Quit? Impossible, slow down, unthinkable. The life you built now owns you, and every dollar is either spent before it arrives or inflation eats it right out of your hand. The raises stopped feeling like freedom a long time ago. They just feel like a delay. Version B stays perfectly calm. Because in good years, the value of your Bitcoin stack now grows more than your day job even pays. You still go to work, but because you want to, not because you have to. For the first time in your life, your money wakes up earlier than you do and clocks out later. That is the turning point, the moment your capital works harder than you do. But the gap is brutal now, nearly $1 million. Stage 6. You are 50, and it is slowly becoming obvious which one of you is actually wealthy. Version A is scrambling to keep up with the younger colleagues. The watch is leased, the Maldives trip is on a payment plan, the facade is polished. From the outside, you look rich. The bank statements tell a quieter, sadder story. You are spending your 50s performing a wealth you never built. Version B drives a used sedan, wears no logos, and has silently entered the territory where the real invisible millionaires live. You know that unassuming guy in the 10-year-old Camry nobody looks at twice at a red light? Exactly him. Not a single person around you suspects your wealth even exists. And that invisibility is freedom itself. You have everything you need, and you no longer have to prove anything to anyone. That peace of mind is worth millions, literally. Real wealth almost always looks boring. The gap is crushing now, around $3 million. Stage 7. You are 60. Retirement is approaching, and decades of small decisions are coming due. Version A realizes, all that luxury never turned into wealth. The accounts are far thinner than the lifestyle ever suggested. You secretly calculate how many more years you will have to work, not to live, but to keep up the act. The cars, the house, the watches, none of it gives back a single one of the years you spent on the hamster wheel. Version B crosses the magic line. From now on, your wealth can carry your life forever. You are your own bank. You stop trading time for money, not because you are tired, but because you simply do not have to anymore. Every morning suddenly belongs to you, and the calendar that once owned you is empty. Because that is what freedom actually means, the point where your assets pay for your life without you sacrificing lifetime for it. Roughly $4 million now sit between you, and the number grows daily. Stage 8. You are 65. Working life ends, and both versions of you look back. Version A owns a garage full of luxury that lost most of its value, a frighteningly small account, and decades that went into a performance. The most painful realization comes last. The audience you spent your whole life trying to impress was never really watching. Everyone was far too busy with their own show. Version B owns complete independence. You travel the world in total peace without once worrying about a bill or a wobbling bank. You wear nothing flashy, you owe nobody anything, and your time belongs completely and irrevocably to you. And now hold on. Over those 40 years, the two of you earned almost exactly the same down to the dollar. The same paycheck bought one of you cars and the other one a free life. Simply because one of you understood the power of incorruptible money. The final gap? Over $5 million from an identical starting point. Here's the part nobody says out loud. Luxury is what you show other people. Wealth is what sits on your hardware wallet when nobody is looking. And in real life, almost no one can tell the two apart. The loud life shines at 23 and goes silent at 65, and it costs you the only thing that truly matters, your time. The quiet life is invisible for decades. And then, on a completely ordinary day, it hands you your entire life back. Same job, same salary, same start. And tonight, with that very first pay stub in your hand, you make that one choice again and again. The car will rust, the house will eventually be sold. But tonight, decision compounds silently, forever. And if you are thinking right now, okay, I want path B, but what does that actually look like when nobody around you gets it? Then the next video is made for you. POV. You are the first Bitcoiner in your family. Your parents think you are gambling. Thanksgiving dinner turns into a debate, and you are carrying the orange pill for an entire bloodline alone. I will show you what it really means to be the one who breaks the cycle, and why the loneliest position at the table might be the most important one in your family history. Click this video right here or the link in the first comment.